Well, I'm back again with a quick update on what's been going on in the shop here. Dario and I met up at the Hobby Center a few weeks ago, and I wasn't really looking for anything in particular, but I saw this kit. It just came out last fall, I believe, in last October in 2023, the AMT 61 Ford Galaxy hardtop. It's very similar to my very first car. This can be built three different ways. There's quite a customized version. I'm planning on building it stock, and I had a 62 Mercury Comet. It was my very first car, so I'm going to paint this up to look like that. It's very similar. The taillights are a little different, and I got that. And I got this on Amazon. I ordered the chrome pens. I was getting my Molotow chrome pen was getting a little bit older. Oops, sorry, just dropped a pencil. My Molotow chrome pen, after a while the chrome stops being chrome, it turns more silvery. So I saw these on Amazon. A Molotow marker was about $16 for one. This was $16 or $17 for three, and it's 0.7, I think 1 millimeter and 3 millimeter. Yeah, it's on here. Three different tips. It's kind of nice because the smaller one is a very fine point. I've opened them up just recently, and I've opened one here. It's encouraging that they are sealed in plastic, so I had to open them up. I've opened up this one here. It's the 1 millimeter. I may have to put the tablet down here. Oh, here it comes, and it tells you what to do for the first time on the made in China. It's on the pen itself actually here. Let me see if I can focus this. Chrome paint marker. Anyway, the first time it's hard to read. You have to shake it really well, and then you hold it up and you press on take the cap off, press on the top to let the air out. Then you shake it really well and press down a few times till the ink starts flowing out. And you'll see I've done that here. And you can see it's white. It was originally white, the tip, and then the chrome paint eventually flowed down into the tip. So that's the 1 millimeter size. It's on the bottom here somewhere. So I'm going to try them out. So far I've tried one little spot. It works quite well. It's very similar to the Molotow chrome, but it gets almost 3 for the price of 1. So that was here in Canada. I got that on Amazon there a week or so ago. So just to let you know about that. And again, the Thunderbird convertible is still in progress, just finishing up touches. I've been waiting for this to come in because I was hoping to use this fine tip chrome marker to do on there's a very thin line along the side of the car there. I'm going to have to tape it and try and put the chrome on those. So stay tuned for further updates, and we'll see how this works out. Okay, so I did try two of the markers, the 0.7 and the 1 millimeter, and it did work out quite well. It does look very shiny chrome, and the 0.7 has a very fine tip point. And here's a quick shot of the Thunderbird body with the trim lines I've done on it. There will be further updates on the build to follow, so stay tuned for those. So I do recommend these markers, and I'll put a link below in the description to where I got them on Amazon.ca.